good. All right, good morning, everybody. Oh, no, it's not morning for everybody right now. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited because what we're gonna be doing is making resin pieces out of the molds that we made in the previous video. So the molds I made for the heart and for the rose cup here, and also the little leaf tray. So I'm really excited to see how these pieces come out. I'm really excited to see like how this mold stuff worked, because I got a couple messages saying that they had tried this mold like making kit and that they got a lot of bubbles in the mold. So I'm really excited to see what happens, and I'm excited to tell you guys my experience with it. So commence time lapse of me making these yesterday, because this is me in the future. I know, looking ahead, I'm so professional. I do have the pieces here, but we will pop these out right after the time lapse of me making them. So I hope you enjoy the time lapse and the voiceover and the tutorial. Okay, so we're just jumping right into the 3-cup process. You'll want to measure out your resin in 1 cup, then your hardener in another cup, and just kind of like eyeball it and line it up as evenly as you can. And then you can pour it all into 1 cup and start mixing it up. And you want to mix that up for about like 3 minutes. And then you can pour it into a 3rd cup, or your next cup, and then mix that for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's like, you know, crystal clear. And then I'm just taking the mold that I made in the previous video and just pouring the resin that I've mixed up right into it. And all I'm doing here is taking like one of my little droppers that I use for alcohol ink, just kind of sucking some of the resin out because I did put too much in. I try to leave a little bit of space in the mold to like have room for the alcohol ink, because I don't want it to like overflow or anything. So I'm just taking some out because I did put too much. You can do this however you want. You can go in with a popsicle stick too if that's easier. And then one of my all-time favorite parts is the alcohol ink part. I did try to go in with, well, I thought I was going in with colors that I don't normally use. And then when I popped out the mold, I realized that I am always using pinks and purples and stuff. So I'm trying to step out of my boundaries, but for some reason, I'm always going back to the pinks and purples. I don't know why. And I basically repeat these few steps of just pouring resin into the mold and then putting alcohol ink for the next couple of pieces. So for pieces that are deep, like this cup piece that I was doing here, I try to put a lot of white ink, because white ink is what makes the colored ink sink to the bottom further. So I do try to like put more white into the deeper pieces so that it reaches as far as it can into the piece itself. Because I know you guys have asked me before how I get my colors to sink to the bottom so far, and that's kind of my only trick, is to just kind of put a lot of white, like a lot of different layers of color, and then white, color, and then white. I do drip a lot of white in between though, just to kind of really get it to sink as far as it can to the bottom without kind of saturating the whole piece with it. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat purring. There's nothing I can do about it. She just wants to hang out. But for this piece, you will see once I pop it out that the ink kind of puddled in the center and I didn't put enough white. So I think next time what I'm going to do to remedy that is to put more white so that it kind of branches out. Ha, get it? Branches out into the rest of the leaf. Okay, now it's current me. Did you enjoy that time lapse? Are you so excited to see how these come out? Because I've just been like crazy about opening these. I actually like started peeling them back. When I got up this morning, I was like, no girl, wait to undo them on camera with you guys. So we're gonna do the little leaf tray first. I'm so excited to see how it comes out. I'm actually kind of nervous to pop it out of the mold because I don't want to like rip the mold. But I also kind of want to like test to see how, you know, durable they are. Ah! So this is how it came out, which is super interesting. That all the ink kind of like stayed right in here. I actually really love this. I love the detail of like the, you know, the leaf detail. I'll have to figure out a way to like get the resin or the alcohol ink to kind of go into the rest of the leaf. So this is the original and this is the piece that we made using a mold. I want to do the heart so bad. Let's open up this heart. This one shouldn't be too hard to pop out because it's not covered by the mold like the leaf was. Just gonna kind of spin it around, pushing on the bottom as I go. Oh my God. Oh, my heart. Oh, get it? My heart. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is absolutely breathtaking. For those of you who are not from my Instagram and you're just kind of here, I love you also. But you probably aren't used to how passionate I am about the pieces that come out. I just fall deeply in love. Like, look at that center. Look at it dripping up. Oh, it's so stunning. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh no! How am I gonna let her go? What do you think? Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. We're gonna move on, finally. We're gonna move on to the rose cup, which I think is gonna prove difficult to get out, but I'm excited. So I just took off the rubber bands. I'm gonna find my, the spot where I split it. Ooh! Oh, there she is. Oh! Oh, oh my God. I just fixed my mold. Oh my God. Look at this thing. Seriously. I'm obsessed with this. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this piece. I think she is stunning. Resin is the funnest thing. I just have a serious passion for resin. The only thing I'm afraid of is that I kind of split the mold like at the bottom of it. So I don't know if that's going to affect next time, but I didn't ruin it like I thought I would. I thought I would have to like ruin this thing to get this piece out, but but I didn't have to. So let me know what you think of these pieces. Let me know if you go and do this. Let me know if you like try this mold stuff yourself. As far as it like having bubbles in it, hopefully you can see the bubbles. Well, like it's not even, I guess they were bubbles that were in the, you know, mixture as I was mixing it. I hope you can see it. You see it like in the light, how there's like little indents and stuff. So maybe you get bubbles from not mixing enough, because in this piece I feel like it came out super shiny and really, really nice. I think it has to do with the mixing of it. I think that maybe I was a little impatient on this one, because by the end of making these I was like, holy crap, this is a lot of work. So let me know if you guys do this. I'm just I'm so in love with this heart. I'm so in love. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you do this. Let me know what you think of these pieces. I will be listing these exact pieces in my shop pretty soon, so you can find the shop link, or my shop link, down in the description. You can also find links to the resin I use, and you can also save some money on it too by using the code ARTSY. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much. So much. Just so much of everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this. And definitely like this video and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'm here for this. Are you here for this? Because if you're here for this, we can be here for this together. So, I love you. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.